This is Leetcode problem question, and in this question given an integer n and return true if this is power of 2, otherwise return false, and integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer x such that n is equal to 2 to the power n. In this question said that if the number is equal to raised to the power of 2, then this number is true, otherwise number is false. This if n equal to n equal to 2 के power x, x is a any whole number, like x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so something that's any whole number. If x is equal to whole number, then returns true, otherwise x is equal to not a whole number, return false. So that first of all, write a if int I equal to 0, int n1 equal to 1. It's correct. First of all, what you think to read this question? Read this question, you think that at least take a one loop, then it repeat first take a one loop, then it repeat 2 के power 0, फिर second repeat 2 के power 1, फिर third repeat 2 के power 2 till less than equal to n. This is n. If 2 के power 0, 2 के power 1, 2 के power 2 is extend to, if equal to 2 के power x equal to 2 के power x equal to n, so that it's a true, otherwise it's not equal to n, it's a false. So first contain loop while n1 less than equal to what? Less than equal to this integer n. Contain a loop. After that, if n equal to n1 equal to what is n1? Two's power, simple power. So power equal to n, then what's equal to n, then it's a true, then return what? Return true. also good. It's a true. Otherwise, else, else what? Else n power equal to 2. Then it's true if this if n equal to 1 and first question so that 16 n equal to 1 what's on this n equal to 60 then n equal to power equal to 1 if 1 is equal to 16 not this not compile where skip this if statement and come to else power equal to 2 then come back n equal to 2 so n is power is less than equal to 2 yes if condition is true then 2 is equal to 16 not repeat repeat what's till the repeat if 2 4 6 2 4 8 16 then n equal to 16 then goes power 16 less than equal to 16 as 16 is true otherwise not and false 3 1 3 not 3 not equal to 1 not equal to 3 then 2 repeat n less than 2 less than equal to it's a correct then 2 equal to 3 not 2 4 then not return false. It's okay. Then solve this problem. This is a power of 2 easy type question, Leetcode question. So that run. It's a fine to work. That's a fine. After that, sometime wait. Then this is a second Leetcode problem. And given an integer array nums return true if any value appears at least twice in an array, and the return false if every element is distinct. It means if an element repeated in an array, then return true, otherwise return false. If all elements are distinct, then return false. In the example, input 1 2 3 1 1 appears in 0th index and last index, then it's a true. 1th index in a 1 0th index and last index, then it is a true. It's a 1 2 1 2 3 4, that's the 4 are appears in a distinct, not any element repeated 1 2 3 4, so that it's a false. It's okay. In a third, once repeats in a 3 time, 3 repeats 2 time, not so 2 3 time, 4 repeats 2 time, 2 repeats 2 time. That's okay. Then it's a true. Let's code. First of all, what do you think? if takes 1 in this 1 in all the place, if s, then return 2, otherwise if 2 returns, then 3 returns, then 4 returns. For int I equal to 0, I less than length I plus minus 1. Why the minus 1? Because 1, 2, 3. If not minus 1, then all right. If you think what's your approach and what's my approach, it's a different. So that it's not a take a minus 1 after int so for int j equal to I and j is less than norms dot length j plus plus. It's use minus 1. Why use minus 1? I will discuss after some time. Then after if it's not 0 minus 1, if nums of I equal to nums of j, then n follows. If first declare n equal to 0. If n nots, then what's the value of n? N equal to 0 also. Then it's a good things to declare the n equal to 0. After this, so that if n equal to 0, then what's true or false? If n equal to 0, then it's appear twice, any element twice in array. It's not all the elements are distinct. If n equal to 0, then equal to what? Then equal to all elements are distinct. If n equal to greater than 0, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything. Then what's if in an array at least one elements are duplicate, one elements are repeated. You understand? Then if n equal to 0, then what? It's all are distinct element. Then if in this In this all elements are distinct, then return false. All elements are distinct, then returns false. Or in an integer, at least one elements are twice, then return true. In this n equal to 0, then at least if condition is true, then one n plus plus is n plus plus is run. Line number 7 is compiled. If a statement is true, if sixth statement, if a statement is true, why true? Because n of I equal to n of j. N of I, why? What? N of 0. Then n of j, num of j, what? Num of j is equal to n of 0 plus 1. Then starting with 1 and ending with num dot length, then length of a array. You understand why n plus, and if j equal to 0 or j equal to I, then what's? It's a I equal to 1, I equal to num equal to num in I, then equal to 0, then equal to this index number 0. Index number 0 is 1. After that, j equal to also j in index of 0, then index of 0 j in index of 0 is also 1, then n plus plus 1. In this question, example number 2, this 1 1, then equal to, then n plus plus. After that, n plus plus, return is different, then answer is wrong. You understand? So that if n equal to 0, then no any elements are repeated. So that no elements are repeated, then example number 2, no elements are repeated, return false. Otherwise return true. It's a correct. False. Sorry. Case 3 true. Good. You understand what what are you doing? I plus 1 num dot length minus 1. Why? Because num of I is 0 1 2 1 2 and 3. Extend to only 3 nodes. If equal to num equal to 4, num dot length nodes minus 1 is not minus 1, then what? Num equal to 4. And also in this question, num equal to 4, then n plus plus 1, then n is equal to 0, then also n is not equal, then 1 times is plus plus, then in this time also true return. Understand? So that it is correct. One, if one in this question, if you think one another type, then first array dot sort of nums. If any array is sorted, then what are you think? Any other any any array is sorted, then what are you think? If index 1 equal to index 2, it's if one index 2 it's not equal, then next index 2 equal to index 3 it's not equal, then index 0 equal to index 1 it's not true, index 1 equal to index 2 it's not true, index if is sorted, not it's not sorted, then if 1 2 3 1 then sorted, then what equal 1 1 2 3. If index 0 equal to index 1 it's equal, then return true. Is this it is sorted, then index 0 equal to index 1 not, index 1 equal to index 2 not, index 2 equal to index 3 not, then return false. It's also we think that, then for int I equal to 0 less than nums dot length minus 1. Why it is why it use the num length minus 1? Because if index number last equal to what, not a next index in this array, so that index num dot length it's a length of a array and minus 1. I plus plus. So that if nums of I equal to nums of I plus 1, it's true. If it's true, then what, then simple return true, otherwise return false. Time accepted, 57.41 memory use, that's so good. So that this is a question. So next question, that's a Leetcode.